Have you ever wondered why protein is considered one of the most important nutrients for the human body? Protein is often associated with bodybuilders and athletes, but the truth is that everyone needs enough protein every day. Your body uses protein to build and repair muscles, make enzymes and hormones, support your immune system, maintain healthy skin and hair, and keep your bones strong. Protein also helps you stay full for longer, which may reduce unnecessary snacking and support healthy weight management. Whether you're a student, working professional, older adult, vegetarian, or someone trying to eat healthier, adding protein-rich foods to your meals can make a big difference. In today's video, we'll explore 10 of the best high-protein foods, their health benefits, and easy ways to include them in your daily diet. Let's begin. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. One large egg provides about 6 grams of protein. Besides protein, eggs contain vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and choline, an important nutrient that supports brain function. Eating eggs for breakfast may help you stay full for longer, reducing hunger throughout the day. You can enjoy eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelette with vegetables. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most popular high-protein foods. Just 100 grams provides around 31 grams of protein while being relatively low in fat. Protein from chicken helps repair muscles after exercise and supports overall body maintenance. Grilled, baked, or air-fried chicken is generally a healthier choice than deep-fried versions. Adding chicken to salads, sandwiches, wraps, or rice bowls is an easy way to increase your protein intake. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains almost twice as much protein as regular yogurt. A 100-gram serving provides around 10 grams of protein. It also contains probiotics that support gut health and calcium that helps keep bones and teeth strong. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh fruits or nuts for extra nutrition. Lentils. Lentils are one of the healthiest plant-based protein sources. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein. They're also rich in fiber, iron, potassium, folate, and complex carbohydrates. The fiber in lentils helps maintain healthy digestion and supports stable blood sugar levels. Cottage cheese. Paneer. Paneer is an excellent source of protein, especially for vegetarians. A 100-gram serving contains around 18 grams of protein. It also provides calcium and phosphorus that support strong bones. Instead of deep-frying paneer, try grilling, baking, or lightly sauteing it with vegetables. Fish. Fish like salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel are excellent protein sources. A 100-gram serving usually provides between 20 and 25 grams of protein. Fatty fish are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and normal brain function. Health experts generally recommend eating fish regularly as part of a balanced diet. Soybeans. Soybeans are among the richest plant sources of protein. 1 cup of cooked soybeans provides about 28 grams of protein. Soybeans also contain fiber, iron, calcium, and beneficial plant compounds. Chickpeas. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains approximately 15 grams of protein. They're also rich in fiber, making them filling and satisfying. Almonds. A handful of almonds provides around 6 grams of protein. They're also rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants. Almonds make a convenient snack and can also be added to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Since they're calorie-dense, Moderation is important. Thus tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans and provides around 8 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's low in saturated fat and highly versatile. Tofu absorbs the flavor of spices and sauces well, making it suitable for stir-fries, curries, sandwiches, salads, and soups. How much protein do you need? Daily protein needs vary depending on age, activity level, and overall health. Most healthy adults generally need around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. People who exercise regularly, older adults, or those recovering from illness may need more. Individual needs can vary, so it's best to seek personalized advice from a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Tips to increase protein intake.